Good afternoon, class. For Unit 6 discussion, we'll be looking at chapters 11 and 12. Chapter 11 of our text is entitled Managing Knowledge and Artificial Intelligence. Firstly, knowledge management is a set of process used to create, store, transfer, and supply knowledge within an organization. There are three types of knowledge management discussed in the book. First one is enterprise-wide knowledge management system, which is a collective effort by the firm in which the goal is to collect, store, distribute, and apply digital content and knowledge. Second is knowledge work, and this is a process of supporting, creating new knowledge and its integration into the firm. And lastly is intelligent techniques, which encompasses a range of computation methods that aim to emulate human-like intelligence in machines. AI is used by businesses to process and interpret large amounts of data. Businesses are able to process incoming data at a faster and more efficient pace. Chapter 12. Enhancing decision making. The chapter dives into the decision making in firms and how does that process work. In chapter 2 of our book, it talks about change in the organization of the firm, where orders are no longer coming from the top down and responses move back up the hierarchy. Groups or teams are formed and decision making is shared between them. There are three different types of decision making. One is unstructured decision making is when the person making the decision must provide judgment, evaluation, and insight when solving the problem. Structured decision making is a set process that is repeatable in nature, such as designing a marketing plan or a corporate website. Lastly is semi-structured, where a fraction of the problem has a clear and precise answer. Example of such is offering credit to customers or an employee's eligibility for overtime. Our book also outlined 4 stages of decision making: intelligence, design, choice, and implementation. At the beginning, I stated how decision making has changed in organization. Example of this are, senior executive makes unstructured decision by using visual interfaces, spreadsheet, and dashboards to show the organization's profitability and performance, while middle management and operations making structured decision will use management information system to produce reports such as production output, as they are responsible for the performance of the firm. For this week's reading, I read an article from Sloan Review website entitled Human Factor in AI-Based Decision Making. And this article talks about how 5 years ago, less than 10% of large companies had adopted machine learning or other forms of AI. But today, that number has changed to 80%. An example of such is how Amazon has used algorithm for its recruitment process, or Walmart using AI on its production line decisions. AI is being used in decision making and takes away the human element of the way our style, our bias, and even our political affiliation when making these decisions. Example, etc. That is why 80% of large companies now use AI as a part of their decision-making process. Thank you.